Hello, this is Michael Tillinger here, and it is with a very heavy heart that I bring the news to you that our dear friend Mark Haley, one small town pioneer, partner, friend, inventor, innovator, beautiful human soul, has passed on. Mark left us 2 days ago on the 10th of November. Unfortunately, we could not afford, and his family could not afford, the medical bills at the private hospital. And the hospital transferred Mark, took him off the ventilator and transferred him to a government hospital. It turned into a bit of a fiasco, and literally a few hours later, Mark died. So it's with deep, I suppose, rage and anger at the system. First of all, I'd like to send my deepest sympathy and condolences to Mark's family, his daughter Angie, who stood by his side. And I can't tell you how much we're going to miss your dad, Angie. To your family, your father was loved deeply. He was admired and honored and respected, not only as a human being, but for his contribution that he has made to the world and to humanity, as an innovator, as an inventor, and more recently as a one small town member, partner, innovator, inventor of some of the most awesome technology that we are now busy producing, releasing. Your father will be missed greatly on many levels, and I know that he would have wanted to continue to contribute, do what he loves to do, and make the world a better place. So he'll be loved and he'll be missed for many, many reasons. And I just trust that you're going to carry his name and carry his legacy forward, continue working in the area that he's been active in, that you've already been active in and participating in. I'm at a little bit of a loss for words because my emotions are so scrambled because it was all so unnecessary. We lost Mark because of the failure of the medical industry, the health and wellness industry, and because of money in the end. And while I don't want to contaminate this message of compassion with negative sentiments, what it does do and what it's done for me on a personal level is it's made me even more resolute and driven to make the One Small Town initiative succeed, because this should not ever have to happen to anybody, to lose your life because of lack of funds and lack of being able to pay medical bills. So you will see an increased escalation from my side, driving the One Small Town initiative home, so that people like Mark and millions of others around the world that live in communities where healthcare is not always necessarily available and the best healthcare is not always available, to change that system and make sure that everyone everywhere has access to the best possible healthcare, not only primary, secondary, tertiary healthcare, but also alternative treatments that we know are highly effective. And so really on this note, once again, to Angie, your sister, and the rest of your siblings and the family, my heart goes out. Know that we're here for you. I'm here for you. And we continue driving Mark's legacy. All the incredible work that he's done in his life, it will continue, and he'll be remembered by us and many, many people because of the work that he's done in his life and the great human being that he was and what he's contributed to humanity. So until next time, I send you love, grace and ease, and many blessings on the journey forward. Until next time, it's Michael Tillinger. Bye for now.